Welcome to the Factory of Bliss, where ordinary ingredients are transformed into extraordinary indulgence. This is a cinematic journey into the heart of chocolate creation.
From the humble cocoa bean to the perfectly packaged bar, join us as we explore the complete, mesmerizing process of chocolate manufacturing. Behold the scale of this operation, a factory where precision and automation meet the art of confectionery, all captured in stunning 4K detail. Our journey is a symphony of mechanics and magic, where every stage is meticulously managed to create the finest chocolate imaginable. It all starts with the foundational blend, the precise combination of cocoa mass, cocoa butter, and sweeteners within massive stainless steel vessels. Observe the sheer magnitude of the mixing process. Huge machines work tirelessly, ensuring a homogeneous, perfect base for our liquid gold. In slow motion, witness the transformation. Raw ingredients yield to the heat and mechanics, becoming the rich, smooth, melted chocolate we adore. Now, the flowing journey begins. The finished liquid chocolate moves through intricate, temperature-controlled conveyor systems, ready for the next stage. A mesmerizing spectacle of food production, the liquid chocolate flows like a glossy, dark river, guided by industrial precision. The irresistible luster of perfectly tempered chocolate. Every ripple and sheen is a testament to the quality and care taken in this process. The liquid chocolate reaches the molding station, where meticulous automation ensures every bar starts with perfection. Watch the perfect execution of the automated molds being filled. The chocolate flows seamlessly, forming the familiar shapes of our future chocolate bars. As the chocolate moves through cooling tunnels, the liquid transforms, solidifying into perfectly crisp, ready-to-package bars. Efficiency takes center stage. Modern automation ensures speed and precision in the final presentation of the chocolate bars. Robotic arms demonstrate incredible dexterity, carefully lifting each finished bar from the molds, minimizing human contact for maximum hygiene. Before packaging, a close-up look at the glossy finish. This is the hallmark of high-quality tempering and the final touch of visual delight. The mechanical ballet continues as robotic systems quickly and cleanly wrap the chocolate, sealing in the freshness and flavor. From raw beans to packaged perfection, the chocolate manufacturing process is a marvel of industrial food production. The finished product travels down the line, a continuous stream of deliciousness, ready for distribution across the globe. Thank you for joining us on this mesmerizing, ultra-realistic look inside the Factory of Bliss. Enjoy the journey, enjoy the chocolate,